I am Wonkster1970, and today I will be installing these side mirrors, custom towing mirrors on my 2001 Ford F-150. Okay, let's go and open these up. As you can see, these are part number 11602. Custom style slides over existing mirrors. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got here. Pretty straightforward. That's about it. Mirror. Some sort of adhesive. Right side, and we've got the instructions. Now there's one thing that I'm a little confused about. There's nothing in the instructions that say what this piece is for. I don't see anything on here at all, but I would presume it probably goes on here. That's my guess. I got that piece of felt in there, and then that other piece, or the wedge, just clips in there. So now I'll go put it on the truck. Now, according to the instructions, all you have to do is slide this over here carefully, because this may mar the surface. There you go. Slide her in like that. Make sure the wedge is lined up. Looks like it's lined up. And just tighten her down. That seems pretty secure. A little dirty. Okay, here is the other one. This one is for the left side. It's 2020 rear view CIPA mirrors. This is part number 15747 or 11601. Say part number 11601. Let's open this one up. In there, some space. Take this out. Same thing. There we go. It just slid on just like the other one did. Use a screw here to tighten the wedge up, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, hit the like button or subscribe to this channel. Thank you.